How to connect your site to AdSense YouTube channel tutorial. Want to monetize your website and start earning from ads? In this video, I'll show you step by step how you can connect your site to Google AdSense. So to get started, go to Google AdSense and then click on Get Started, which you'll basically find at the top right of your screen. Now in here, sign in with your Google account. This is how my AdSense account looks like. And since it has been deactivated by Google AdSense because it was inactive, I'll need to reactivate it. So I'll simply select reactivate account. And then in here, go ahead and set up the payments information on Google AdSense since that is one of the required things, the ads information. And you can go ahead and connect your site to Google AdSense by clicking on this Let's Go button under the site section. As you can see, there is a website that has been already connected to this account. So I'll simply add another site. So to do that, you need to enter your site's URL into the section, then select your site's language. AdSense will give you a verification code, so copy the code and paste it into your website's head section. If you're using WordPress, you can add it through a plugin or theme settings. So after adding the code, return to AdSense and click on Submit, and Google will review your site to make sure it meets their policies. Approval usually takes a few days. So once approved, log into AdSense and go to Ads, and you can choose Auto Ads, where Google places ads automatically, or manual ads, where you copy and paste ad units yourself. Place the code on your site where you want ads to appear. Finally, use the AdSense dashboard to monitor impressions, clicks, and revenue. Payments are sent monthly once you reach the minimum threshold, usually $100. And that's it. Your site is now connected to Google AdSense. Start experimenting with ad placement and watch your content generate income. And that is how you can basically connect your site to AdSense YouTube channel tutorial.